Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to turn off comments on YouTube. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a youtube.com and press enter. Here at the official homepage of YouTube, you click on the profile icon on top right corner. Here you click on your channel. You can open any videos of yours that you want to turn off the comment as I am going with this one. Just click on it. Here you scroll to the little down. You can see the option of edit video. Click on it. Here you can edit all your YouTube video details. Scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see the option of show more. You click on it. Now you scroll to the very end. Here you can see the option of comments and weddings, comment visibility. You click on drop down menu. Here are many options you can do with your comments of the YouTube videos. As we are going to disable our comments or we are going to turn off the comments, we will click on disable comments. After you're done, you click on the save on top right corner. Your changes has been saved, that is, your comment will be turned off. Now to check whether the changes has been made or not, you open the video. Here you can see comments are turned off, that is, my changes has been updated. This is how you can disable the comments on YouTube. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to turn off comments on YouTube. Thank you.